Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. OMG, I'm finally doing this. I'm so happy right now. Okay, many of you guys have asked me to start a YouTube channel, so here I am launching my very own YouTube channel. It's 2020 and I want to end it in a good note, so I thought this is the perfect time to start something new, and that new is starting a channel. I'm also happy because I'm starting this on my very own special day, my mom's birthday. Coming to this video, you all know my birthday was on November 6th, where I did a video on Instagram asking you guys to choose my birthday outfit. And after that you guys have no clue what happened because I haven't posted anything on my Instagram. So in this video I am going to show how I have created an amazing background for my birthday. To put together, this is a simple DIY video which helps you to create a lovely backgrounds for your birthday all by yourself. Here and there you might need some help, but that's totally fine. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now let's just see what we have got in here. Basically I have unboxed everything and sanitized, so everything is open already. Firstly we have this birthday banner. Okay, next we have some heart-shaped balloons with confetti balloons. And this is happy birthday banner. Okay, this is the balloon strip along with some balloon knots. Next we have this this is a king-shaped foil balloon, and these are balloons like 2 and 5. And we have balloons in silver. So my theme is basically gold and silver, so I have and black. So we have black balloons and then gold balloons, and these are happy birthday candles. Let's just see. Oh yeah, so beautiful. And we have some extra balloons. And this is happy birthday foil balloons which goes in round shape. And we have more balloon strips along with glue. And we have some extra balloons in black, silver and gold. That's all we have. And we have also got some stationery, all scissors right in here, and some staplers, plasters over here, and some birthday props like balloon pump and some strips over here. Okay, let's start with balloons first. Take a balloon, and this is balloon pump, and all you have to do is this. Once the desired size is reached, let's knot it.
To knot the balloon, just slide the balloon over the knotter and pull it out from the other side, forming a knot. And I continue doing the same for all the balloons. The overall process was so fun. Behind the camera there are my people helping me do this. Yes, the process is a little time consuming. If you are doing it alone, I would suggest you to get electric air pump from Amazon, which cost you around 1000 bucks. Okay, let's be back once all the balloons are done. And then this happened out of nowhere. I couldn't stop myself playing with the balloons. Now it's time to form a balloon arc. Take a balloon and place it on the hole of the strip and pull it from the other side. This is so simple and efficient. In the whole process, I haven't seen a single balloon falling off from the strip. And this is the final length of my arc. Place it towards the wall and secure it with threads. You can also use the adhesive hooks. Let's stick happy birthday banner now. As I am using cloth as backdrop, I have stapled the ends. I can say this is the best tip because glue drops, double-sided tapes, nothing work if you are using cloth as backdrop. This is totally out of my experience. Let's do the same for party banner. I suggest one should opt such banners for party decors because they are so easy to set up and also very affordable. Now let's form balloon stand. If you are buying balloon stand, make sure you buy something in steel or metal ones, unlike the one I am using right now, which is plastic. Ta-da! It's done! Here comes the final output of my birthday decor. I absolutely loved it. This is how I decorated for my birthday. Hope you all like the decor. If so, please hit the like button. Thank you.
Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give it a big fat thumbs up, comment down below and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.